What's going on, everybody? We're always talking about great things that make us happy using Happy Meals. So right now we're gonna be talking about food that boosts your metabolism. We are talking about foods that get that metabolism functioning properly. So we need to make sure that the system is functioning properly. Like, what foods are doing that? Stay tuned because you're about to find out. Peas. Now understand that these are really gonna slow the system down to make sure that you have long amount of sustainable energy, and that's a huge benefit of this. You're also noticing that you're seeing so much about pea protein because this, if you're having diabetic, if you are really watching your blood sugar, if you're really just trying to keep yourself regulated, peas are going to be one of the best things you can get. Next up, we got watermelon. Watermelon is loaded with so many vitamins and minerals and so many antioxidants in it. It also keeps you hydrated. But since it does have a little bit of fiber in it, it's going to keep you full longer. We cannot eat enough green leafy vegetables. Now, what we're holding right here is kale. We need to get more green leafy vegetables in our diet. There's vitamin A, D, E, and K. Those are the vitamins that we need to seek those out from our food sources. High in fiber, helps with metabolism, aka it's going to make sure you stay fit, trim, low blood sugar, and also lose weight. Citrus helps stimulate your metabolism. As long as you're making sure you're not going too far, because you do have to watch the sugar. Limes, lemons, and oranges. Definitely watch the sugar if you're diabetic. Just please pay attention to things like that, as well as other things. Make sure you check it with your doctor first. I don't want you saying this is what Vernon told me. Lovely garlic. Garlic has inulin in it, and that is going to be a water-soluble fiber that is going to make sure you stay full longer. Smash some garlic, a few cloves of garlic up in your food, and you'd be surprised how it's going to keep you sustained. It's also going to help you out if you haven't anything going on with your blood sugar. Now, I'm pretty sure you weren't expecting to see sardines. Our body needs fats to perform at its best, and with you getting omega fats and your omega-3 fatty acids, polyunsaturated fats in your food, it keeps the system functioning properly. If you don't have enough fat, your metabolism will not be at its best. These are beets. Beetroot has a supplement there, and it increases your oxidative metabolic rate. So in other words, it's going to speed up your metabolism, and these are also good if you have high blood pressure as well. What's going on, everybody? It's Vernon from Happy Meals. I am excited to share with you these different foods that are going to speed up your metabolism. Now, you're going to notice that all of these got one big thing in common. I'll talk about that at the beginning of the video. You know, while we're talking, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Make sure you smash that notification bell so we can help you be happy with Happy Meals. By the way, we appreciate you guys so much. We got a special giveaway coming up. Stay tuned on our Facebook channel where we're going to be doing a live and we're doing some free giveaways. So make sure you check in the comment section where you're going to see what you can do to follow our page and give it a like. Thank you all so much for taking the time to watch this. We had a lot of fun doing this, even though there were peas involved. Peas, ugh. But they help. So many foods might not taste exactly as you might like. But that's why we're big on recipes, so you can get creative with it and they taste a lot better. Thank you again for watching. If you like contents like this, check out some of our other recipes and you'll be surprised at how you can make something like even a pea taste delicious. See you next time.